Sleep is for the weak, you know where I'll be. Tangled in my head, replaying memories. Close my eyes and pray some kind of clarity. A dream in black and white beats all that I see. I can feel it in my bones when I see your face. It's the cruelest kind of dream, driving me insane. Your sleep is for the weak. You know I'll be. There is nothing that takes the pain away. Just darkness that covers everything. I'm losing my grip on reality, and you never loved me anyway. I cannot live here in yesterday. If rest is for the dead, you know where I'll be. 6 feet in the dead, right where you want me. Your sleep is for the weak. You know where I'll be. There is nothing that takes the pain away. Just darkness that covers everything. I'm losing my grip on reality, and you never loved me anyway. I cannot live here in yesterday. I see you in my sleep, but you always lie. I need you gone for good, take the pain away. I see you in my sleep, but you always lie. I need you gone for good, take the pain away. Sleep is for the weak. Take the pain away. There is nothing that takes the pain away. Just darkness that covers everything. I'm losing my grip on reality, and you never loved me anyway. I cannot live here in yesterday. You want to see myself away. There's nothing that takes the pain away. Take the pain away. The story's getting old. Talk about how it unfolds. Why do I feel so cold? It was somewhere along the way, all my colors turned into gray, and I felt it. Why am I to stay? just for the week. You know where I'll be, tangled in my head.